Hi, it's Julien Barker from South Street Chiropractic. Here with Kathy. Kathy's going through some life stuff at the moment, and I've just been monitoring and actually just helping her through and trying to keep her nervous system functioning. So this is just running on for we've been adjusting every week, and so just making sure everything's okay. So up you jump. So not looking for anything specifically. There are stuff that I know comes up with Kathy historically, but I'm trying not to think about that. Trying to go in with the blank slate, nice and easy for me to have a blank mind. The beginner's mindset, you know, looking as if you're doing this the first time and actually go looking, that's the kind of mindset to be in. Okay, so just turn your head all the way to the left, all the way to the right, head back into the center. Looks pretty level first inspection. I like to just turn the head either side, because if it's going to show up, that'll show it up. It doesn't. So, kind of as we left off here, everything nice and level, and it should be. So, possibility 3. So, squeeze your knees together and let go. Good. Left hand up behind your back. Swap your hands around. Both hands up behind your back together. Both back down by sides. Take your left hand up by your face. There is a T12. Big deep breath in. And out. Right hand up as well. And both back down by sides. Okay, we'll just keep going a little bit further. Turn your head to the left. Lift the left shoulder up off the couch and back down. Shrug both shoulders up towards your ears and back down. Good. Squeeze the left elbow into your side and let go. Squeeze the right elbow into your side and let go. Shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. Okay, and head back into the center. So far, major junctions, nothing pelvis, nothing lumbar spine. We've got 1 point of adjustment on thoracic 12, and this is one of the beauties of Activator, is as much as it will tell you where you do need to adjust, it also makes it quite clear where you don't need to adjust, and so you're not likely to overstimulate that person and make them sore, or actually just do stuff that doesn't need to be done. Bottom attachment point for trapezius muscle. So have we got some involvement there? Maybe, we shall see. Lift up your head, back down. Tuck your chin down to your chest, back to center. Push face down into the couch and let go. Okay, stretch your left hand towards your left knee and let go. Right hand to right knee, and let go. Okay, so turn your head to the right. Tip the back of your head towards your left shoulder. There we go, head back into the center. So that's the trapezius trigger point. We've got T12, and that all kind of makes sense. So tension in the shoulders and that tight feeling, which will definitely be associated with strains of life. Probably worth checking glutes and piriformis as well, because those tend to come up as well. So push both legs outwards against me and let go. That's a kind of a gross test for glutes, not really seeing anything, so we'll test them individually. Push left and let go. And push right and let go. Again, if I'm testing it, not getting anything, leave well alone. Let's try piriformis, push inwards, and let go. And push inwards, and let go. Push both knees into the couch, and let go. Psoas test. Nothing really going on there. I know with, it's probably worth, we've got a T12, it's probably worth just looking 11 and 1. Other than that, leave well alone. So let's take your right hand up above your head. Okay, big deep breath in and out. Okay, arm back down by side. Left hand up by your face. Right hand up behind your back. There you go. Took some looking for, didn't it? And both back down by side. That is actually a superior L1, which I do think that one's been there a couple of times. So that's T12. Possibly some tenderness. Yeah. Okay. So, didn't need to do much. Important to do what we did do, and also I know that actually that is considerably less than a couple of weeks ago. So we're headed in the right direction, and although I can't change what's going on in the world, I can affect how Kathy's body is dealing with it, so she can cope with it going forwards and reduce that load on her nervous system. So good. We'll see you next time.